Hi there. Welcome to our consultation services at Mathematics, Economics Finance Online School. Whether you're a student tackling tough assignments or a professional navigating complex projects, we're here to help. Hey, race what we offer: mathematics support. Need help with calculus, algebra, or statistical models? Let us guide you step by step to mastery. Economics expertise, from economic modeling to policy analysis, will help you demystify concepts and deliver outstanding work. Finance insights, struggling with financial modeling or budget planning? Get personalized assistance to sharpen your skills and ace your projects. What makes us unique? One-on-one guidance tailored to your needs, ensuring you learn, grow, and achieve your goals. Book your session now and let's conquer those challenges together. Your success is just a click away. www.mefschool.company.co or WhatsApp +2547900111681.